Good day, dear friends! In this video, we will talk an extremely promising and interesting project that is already gaining popularity among the crypto community. I present to you Pippi Longstocking. Let's look at the structure of the project together and talk about development prospects. Enjoy watching! And before watching this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell, so as not to miss new interesting videos and interesting offers. Pippi Longstocking is a project inspired by the legendary drama. This token is part of the meme coin series, but does not lose its appeal among loyal fans and crypto enthusiasts. Unlike other meme coins that have almost no features, the project has launched a token with features that commercialize our own coin, such as slot game, casual game, card game, P2E game, NFT marketplace, Metaverse Land. Unlike other projects, Pippi offers users excellent benefits. There is no purchase tax on sales, and the biggest advantage is that for the first time in the world, the project plans to use 50% of the income from partner game to provide liquidity in P2E games. As a result, by using the Pippi token, all users can maximize their income up to 100%. This profit is given to all users, but differentiated according to their current level and equipment standards. The project plans to conduct a large-scale advertising campaign. At launch, Pippi is a standard token that has no staking features, no clumsy fraud, no buyback features, no liquidity for transferring taxes. The overall goal of the Pippi token is to provide a secure environment where you can trade your important crypto NFTs and place your digital assets on the blockchain while being decentralized. All basic information about the development of the project is presented in the roadmap. In the future, we will have many new and interesting features. I wonder how many holders there will be by the end of 2023. I really like this project due to its simplicity and interesting approach. What do you think? Share your opinion in the comments below this video. The project has successfully passed the audit and every time it improves its security, which positively affects the group of users. Active interaction, interest and real profit – that's what unites Pippi users. 50% of total casual and affiliate advertising revenue from partners will go towards P2E games on a monthly basis. In the fourth quarter of 2023, the development of Metaverse Land will be launched. The game looks interesting. The battle screen, equipment, everything harmoniously adds up to one existing and varied process. The beta version of the game will be released in about 1 or 2 months. In case of copyright issues with the game and web game resources, the graphical interface can be changed. In order to not miss updates, I recommend that you subscribe to social networks, so you will be one of the first to become a Pippi user. Pippi is a unique project that you need to get to know personally. You can find all the necessary links in the description under this video. Thank you all for watching and see you next time!